We have one thumb up, we have two thumbs up. That means drivers, hands off controllers. In 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go, the California Alliance. 1, 2, 3 going up and in. Another 2, 3 coming up from Legend on the far side. 25-656, that's Pioneer opening up their classifier once again to make room for their alliance partner, 6189. High voltage to shoot 3 up top, and only one of them will go in. The Fremont team, 21-227, working with their partners. 1, 2 going up and in from that side and autonomous. Pioneer missing one out wide, trying to open up that classifier, and they'll grab 2 from there. 6189, high voltage being pushed by 21-227 again.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
Red Alliance with a hefty lead, 117-30 out of autonomous, and that lead keeps climbing.
3, 2,
No difference in this game is insurmountable, however, as drivers now taking control. 6189, high voltage grabbing 3 artifacts from that backside, trying to get to the backmost launch zone. 1, 2 going short. 25-656 grabbing 3 up close. 1, 2, 3 going up and in. The California Alliance. 1, 2, 3 going up and in from them as well. 21-227, Infinibots trying to do the same as Legend shoots from downtown. 1, 2, 3 going up into that side. Another 18-point swing for the Red Alliance side. 6189 being pushed around by 21-227 as Legend continues to grab more artifacts from the far side. Infinibots doing the same as Pioneers puts up 3 more for blue and opening up that classifier for more 3-point shots. 6189 doing the same on that far side as they grab 3 purple artifacts and attempt to shoot them up top. Heading back to their launch zone. Big collision on that far side with 21-227 Legend. Infinibots from California doing the same. 1, 2, 3 going up and in from the Serendipity machine. Legend being boxed out by high voltage as they continue to shoot up top, ricocheting off the red tablet and heading back into the field. The Zenith machine, that's Pioneer Robotics shooting 2 up top alongside their alliance partners. Breaker shooting 2 as well. Another 3 picked up by Breaker as they head back to that far side and shoot. 1, 2, 3 going up and in. Red Alliance able to match them though. Red Alliance's lead keeps pulling ahead by a solid 90+ points as another 18-point swing from your Red Alliance. 21-227 Legend grabbing 3 more, shooting them up top. Alliance partners Infinibots doing the same. 25-656 opening up that classifier to make room for more 3-point shots, 2 of which go in from high voltage. The googly eyes have fallen off that machine, but it doesn't matter. It continues to shoot without much issue. 22-297 Infinibots grabbing 3 more artifacts in that classifier as they continue to cycle. Classifier, launch zone, classifier, launch zone. End game time. Robots now thinking about parking as Legend drains another 2 from downtown like Steph Curry. 61-89 shooting a couple up close. The Breaker machine continuing to grab artifacts and shoot them to try and close the gap. Legend with another 6-point swing as 3 more go up top. Robots now thinking about parking. 2, 1, that's it. 3. It's the Red Alliance. The Fremont teams get it done with a score of 4, 22-311. They will advance to match number 8, whereas the Blue Alliance will fall to match number 6. We are